Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this floating text effect in the CapCut mobile. So you can just first add your videos and then just write your text. Click on text and add text and just write the text in here. You can change the style and effects to your liking. For example, here I'm going to just use this kind of style and I'm going to change the font like this, and after that you can adjust the length, the duration, and go to animations. Now click on the loop and add this drift up animations. Okay, now you can just click on a check icon. Here you can also reposition the text to your liking. And there you go, this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.